A step bit, or sometimes called a universal bit, is probably nothing new in your vocabulary or even tool set. You probably have one, use it for sheet metal, maybe firewalls of cars, open up a hole, put a grommet in it, run your wires, whatever you're needing to do. But it's an easy kind of all-in-one drill bit to open up a hole to the size you need it, and you don't have to keep swapping bits, things like that. Now, when you get into thicker metal, things change a little bit. You go to your drill index and you start stepping up your drill bits, but that's really not the right way to do it either. Champion Cutting Tool has a new way for this, and they're calling it their Step Reamer set, but it's specifically for thicker metal. So let's quit talking about this. We'll actually step over to the workbench. We'll use this on some thicker metals and actually see how well these new step bits work. When we got thinner metal, so whether it's sheet metal, whether it's 18 gauge, 16 gauge, even getting into 10 gauge or 1/8 inch metal, it's not too tough to drill holes, to even open up holes. And the typical way to do that would be to either take your impact driver or to take your drill and maybe even a little lube. And if you've got a good step bit, you can drill right in there, drill the pilot hole and drill the step hole in one series. And in thin metal, that's nothing new. Now, again, you can spend whatever you want to on bits depending on what you're doing. A cheaper bit may be this Greenlee, which may be, I don't know, a few tens of dollars, to where if you're stepping into a Swiss-made something that's supposed to last a long time, you may get into the $60, $70, even $100 for a kit or for a good step bit, what have you, and depending on what you need. Now, when we get into thicker metal, that's where the problem persists. So even getting into, let's say, 1/8 inch, into 1/8 inch metal, I could take my Greenlee step bit. And listen, this is nothing against Greenlee whatsoever. This bit right here is made to drill holes in electrical boxes. So, I'm totally taking this out of its element to do this testing, but just going to show without a hole. It's going to take me a little bit to get through there. So I'm probably going to, take this down, drill me a pilot hole with, say, an 1/8 inch bit, a 5/16 inch bit, something like that. And then I'm going to then go to my step bit, open that up. And an 1/8 inch material is probably going to be as far as I want to go with your typical step bit made for impact drivers or made for drills. It doesn't matter, any of these, especially when the steps, you can see, are no more than an 1/8 inch anyway. So how do we do it in thicker metals? Well, let's actually take a gander here. So I've got a piece of 1/4 inch plate right here, and there's several ways we can go about this. Now, the old way to do this, or let's just say the hack way to do this, was you broke out your drill index and you started at your 1/8 inch and you drilled it, and then you stepped up a couple of bits and you drilled it, a few more, and you just kept stepping up your bits, right? Skipping a few every time and opening up that hole. And maybe you could do it in, say, to make a 1/2 inch hole, you could do it in a series of 4 bits, what have you. That's really the wrong way to do it, by the way. The right way to do it, especially on thicker metal, is to actually use a car reamer. And that's what this is. Champion made this one. We actually reviewed these. They work really, really well. And basically, you take that hole and you open it up to, in this case, I think it's a 5/8, or this is a 3/4 inch reamer. But it's only kind of a one step. It only allows you to go all the way to its max. In fact, that's what it's designed for, is you keep pushing this, you keep pressure on it and keep cutting till it reams all the way to the end here, and that's your 3/4 inch hole. Now, so that's the way to really open up holes. Well, what do you do if you need different size holes? Well, you're stuck with buying different reamers for each hole that you have, and these are not cheap. They're great bits, but again, they're not easy on the pocketbook. Well, Champion thought, you know what, we can answer this need. So this is the new Brute XRS-Set Step Reamer set. So you see we get a set of step reamers, so not just a step bit, but actually step reamers. Now in this case, they do claim that you can drill with this drill tip. I will tell you, I started to drill a hole. It was drilling, but I don't think that's going to be the way to go here. So I'm just going to grab a bit, chalk it up in my drill here. And by the way, you've been seeing me put this lube on it. I really like, they have a wax lube that I think works awesome, and it's easy to use because I just stick the little container here by wherever I'm using, dab the bit in there. There we go. So now we've got our pilot hole, and again, this is 1/4 inch plate. So now I'm going to go to the first step reamer. So this goes all the way from 5/16 all the way up to 9/16. So that's past a 1/2 inch. Again, I'm going to dab me a little bit of wax on it. So I've got a little bit of wax on it. Going to go into my, I think that was a little bit bigger than an 1/8 inch, but anyway. So now we've made it to 3/8 of an inch. That's the next step. So that's a 1/2 inch. So now we've stepped up to a 1/2 inch, and so next step is 9/16. There we go. So just as easy when you do a step bit through sheet metal. That's what these step reamers are doing, all the way up to 1/2 inch material. So they're claiming not just 1/4 inch, but it's also going to do 3/8 and 1/2 as well, depending on what you have. So your Schedule 80 pipe, things like that, you'll be able to drill you a pilot hole and then use these step reamers. That was quite easily. Also, you can use that step to actually chamfer that hole as well, so that you're actually cleaning up that hole once you're done with it. By the way, this next one I have not used at all. So let's actually chalk this up. So this one is 9/16 all the way up to 13/16. Get a bit of wax on this. So you can see here the chamfer here on this hole that it's putting. Once I got to 3/4 and just let the next step hit it, that's nice and chamfered already. That hole's nice and clean. So it's walking through this 1/4 inch rather easily. There you have it. So that is the step reamer set. So not a step bit, but a step reamer. Basically it's saying it's 3 tools, 15 drill sizes, and we can keep walking this up if we want to. We'll go ahead and chalk this one up. So we'll take this one all the way to 1 1/16. So over 1 inch. My Milwaukee drill is wanting to cut out. Might have to change it. By the way, it helps when you put it in the drill mode on your clutch. Yeah, that was the problem. Sorry, Milwaukee. A little more wax here. So there's a 1 inch hole. with the outer edge already reamed out. So you got it nice and chamfered on, or should say chamfered. So there's my 1-inch hole with a chamfer on the edge, all clean and ready to put your bolt through or whatever you're needing to do. So really nice set of step reamers. Excited to see these because these have worked great. They really have. These reamers, we've used them several times from making different testing equipment. But having these step reamers, these are going to be really nice because, again, we don't have to have different sizes for every one. And we can work up into 3/8 steel, 1/2-inch steel as well. So really nice set. And by the way, these are made in the UK. They're not made in China, not made in Taiwan, made in the UK. So really nice steel, really good look to them as well. So hey, check those out from Champion Cutting Tool. And by the way, if you don't use any certain type of cutting lube, if you're just using WD-40, I did for years as well, you really be impressed with their Brute Lube line of products. And I really like the wax just because they have the smaller cups too, and I'll just keep it beside the drill press, beside the drill, whatever. Dip the chuck in there. Once it gets hot again, dip it in again. It's just really handy, and I really like their Brute Lube. It's really good stuff. So as we mentioned in the video, these bits aren't made in China, not made in Taiwan, not made elsewhere. They're made in the UK. So really great tooling, really great product coming out of the UK. And Champion Cutting Tool is a US company. They're based in New York. So really excited to get behind a company like that, and they stand behind their products. So these new step bits, step reamer bits, it's in their Brute line, or their Brute, it's called their Brute XRS-Set. So it's their set of different reamer bits. Now this is going to cost you, they're not cheap by all means. This, all three of these are going to run you probably a couple $100, depending on where you buy them. You don't buy direct from Champion. They have a bunch of distributors across the US. You can probably ask for them at your industrial supply place where you buy your bits and pieces, accessories, metals, things like that. And again, this is their step reamer set, and they come in different sizes, or you can buy it in the set as you see it. Again, we've used their reamers and drill bits for quite a long time. Really happy with their products. Make sure you check them out at championcuttingtool.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Hey, if you don't mind, would you give us a thumbs up on this video if you liked it? If you didn't like it, by all means, give us a thumbs down, but will you let us know in the comments why? Also, if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be awesome. And that bell notification, that's going to let you know when new videos are available. Have a great day and keep smiling.